I'm gonna buy mini fridge again.
Asterisk, search mini fridge asterisk.
Okay, I will buy them. And now watch Ruby gets hated on. Oh my god, this is so favorite. Because I think we have a mini fridge. Mom, I want chips.
Oh, okay, Penelope. Here you go, here's your chips.
Thanks, Mom. Time to open the chips. Yum, it's so favorite. Yummo no more. I think we have relaxing time. Has someone there?
Package delivery.
Well, a mini fridge. Oh, it's done. So there are skincare for mini fridge. But I already bought the new one. So the skincare mini fridge. And I guess and hopefully pack my skincare stuff. So now let's pack. Ella, I done with this makeup number 1. Let's do this second one. Second makeup time. Moisturizer. Concealer. Setting spray. Blush. Highlighter. Mascara. And lastly, lip gloss. I'm done pack my makeup number 2. So we're gonna pack health and beauty. I'm done with the health and beauty number 1. So I pack the makeup and health and beauty and skincare. So I buy the iPad with Molly. And bye.